Nice.
Ooh, that felt good.
How's your head?
My neck is definitely...
A little tight.
Yeah.
Tiny press. Good. Look up a little, and now relax there. Great movement. Take a nice deep breath in, hold it, and relax. Nice deep breath, hold, and relax. Yeah, so it's just because you've tightened up this muscle on this side. I'm gonna have to release that muscle in a second too, after we get the joint moved. Keep going, and relax. Good. Good. Nice deep breath, hold, and relax. How's your back right now?
Feels good.